Hello, today I'm here to talk to you guys about Kahoot. So Kahoot.com is a really easy and fun way to make quizzes or like review games for your students. And Kahoot is a technology tool that can be integrated into your classroom because every student needs to be on some type of device, whether it be a phone if they're older, or a laptop, a tablet, a computer. So they all need to be on any type of device that can connect to the internet to take part in Kahoot. So right now I'm going to show you how to sign up and also make a short Kahoot quiz. So I already have an account. You just have to answer a few questions. So I'm just going to go ahead and log into my Kahoot account. So this is the home page. And on Kahoot, which is really cool, if you don't have time to make your own Kahoot quiz, if you wanted to find me a Kahoot about animals, they have thousands and thousands of already pre-made quizzes on Kahoot, but today I'm going to show you how to make your own. So right in the top right, you're going to see the create button, so you're just going to click that. And these are the 4 different types of Kahoot quizzes you can make. So you can make a quiz, you can make a jumble, which you drag the correct answers on top of the definition. So that's really great if you have a smart board in your classroom, because then the students can get up and drag the questions. And then a discussion, so that's where you ask a question and it sparks a debate, or a survey, which is also really, really useful in the classroom. But today, we're just going to make a basic quiz. So the title is going to be Basic Addition. And then you just need to do a really short description. So we'll do a quiz on basic addition. And then you're going to want to make it visible to everyone. And then whatever language you and your students are using. And then the audience, it's going to be for school. And then if you want to, you can add your own image, you can add an intro video, but we're not going to do that today. Then press OK, go. And then it's really simple, you're just going to do add question. So the question will be 2 plus 3 equals question mark. And then you have the time limit, so depending on what grade, how advanced your students are, you can adjust the time. We're going to do 20 seconds. And then if you want to award points, because what makes it really fun is if you answer the fastest, you get more points. So it's almost really competitive in a way, but it's really fun. And then you can either put 2 answers in or 4. So we're just going to do 4. So let's do 6, 5, 7, and 4. And then before you click next, you always want to click the check mark next to the correct answer. So next. And then we'll add one more question. So it can be, let's see, 5 plus 5 equals. And then same thing, if you need to change the different time limits and the awards, you can. So let's see, we'll do 11, 13, 9, 10, and 9. And then always click the right answer. And then click next. And then when you added all the questions that you want to do for your students, you're going to press save. And then if you wanted to go share it with your students, you're going to press the share button so that can email them or send them a link. If you don't want to do it yet, you can just press I'm done because it's saved, so you can go back onto your account later and share it with your students. But right now, we're just going to play it. So the really cool thing about Kahoot is you can either do everyone against each other or a team mode, but we're just going to do player versus player. So ready to join, it's gonna go and a pin is gonna pop up. So this 272271, that is what you're gonna share with your students when they are ready to play. And then once they enter that code in and everyone is ready, you can press start, and then the questions will pop up, and whichever student answers fast enough is going to get the most points. But in the future, I'm definitely going to use Kahoot in my classroom. I think it's great for an exit ticket, or in my case, I would love to be a middle school English teacher. So I feel like it's a great review for comprehension questions about novels. So, like, who's the main character in the book? Like, those type of questions. I feel like it's great review for that. For students that so that they know where they need to do more review and whatnot. And the great thing about Kahoot is every student has to answer for it until the time is up, so everyone has to participate in it. But I hope that you learned something new about Kahoot, and I hope that one day you get to use it in your classroom.